Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As the employer, you need to track both payroll expenses and payroll liabilities. The payroll expenses you need to track are the employee's gross pay and the employer's payroll taxes. QuickBooks uses an account called payroll expenses to track the actual costs to your company. Whatever funds you deduct from employee paychecks aren't shown here. Those funds are placed into an account called payroll liabilities. That makes it easy to see what payroll taxes you owe so that you can have the necessary cash available for payment. As long as you have a valid subscription to one of the QuickBooks payroll options, QuickBooks uses the current payroll tax tables to keep track of your tax liabilities as they accrue, so you know how much you owe as of a given date. To see the amount of payroll liabilities you owe, you can run a payroll liabilities report. You can access this report by selecting Reports, Employees and Payroll, Payroll Liability Balances from the menu bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.